while working on others. But this is a closet in the van next to the fridge. This will be tall closet from floor to ceiling, and that will be my main storage area, mostly for food or food related articles. So I made some measurements in the van, rough cut a panel, and now I'm trying to make the cuts that fit into the wall. So let's see. Little mistake, went a little bit too far. Got my fridge here in the back, and got my storage closet here, approximately in the right location, about 20 inches wide. Then my mystery box is in front of the sliding door, as far back as I can. I kept this height on 25 inches, so when the bed goes down and I lay in my bed, the view to the outside is not obstructed. So I'm continuing now with the closet next to the fridge, which will be about 20 inches wide. That means that it automatically covers the wheel well. That's fine. The point is, however, it's about 2 inches less deep. That is to save my walking space, my living space here. So I need to fill this sideboard in with some Formica, and that's what I'm going to do now. I got this glued and that as well, so I hope I've got it. Okay, that worked out well, I think. Okay, I got my, let's call it a base rack. This is the interior of the closet. That's one. Then the next step is I got a more or less a sort of front panel here on top of it. Okay. Okay, that's good. Then the next step will be to put in my side panel. And then finally, at least for now, I got to screw in these screws at the bottom. That looks good. It's all stiff enough. It's something I check for, but right now I only got it secured here at the bottom and here on the side. Next thing is, but then inside the closet I'll make some connections with the side wall of the closet to the side wall of the vehicle. One point here, one here, and one there at the inside. And I do that again with plus nuts. There will be 4 drawers here, and then from here to the top I'll have some shelves built in. That's probably the next thing that I'm gonna do. I'll be drilling a hole here for the plus nut. Apparently this is reinforced metal. It's very difficult to get into, so I'll do it here at the top. Okay, then some paint. Hi Joey. Then I'll put in the plus nut. That's it. The magnet has a lot of shavings on there, so that's a good thing. And now I use my set of wrenches to tighten the plus nut. And I'll put up a link here at the top to a video that shows you exactly how I do my plus nuts. Okay, that looks good. That's a bolt and a washer that I'll be using to attach it to. Okay, now the back panel. Okay, now let's try it out. I'm gonna install these supports for the drawer slides. I still needed to do that on both sides. What I did is I made some, for each drawer, some blocks so that I know that it's level as well as at the same height as the other side of the cabinet. What I'll do first is indicate where the glue will be coming, so I know where to put the glue. What I'll do here as well is, this has already been painted, so I'll use a little bit of sandpaper to roughen it up. Okay, then I got my blocks back. I'll be using some spacers. So I'll let it dry and then I'll start with the next level. Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe, or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.